Hi guys, today we're going to be making an Easter Oreo cookie. You don't actually see Oreo, but there's inside Oreo. So usually I'm copying the box, and now I'm going to I put a blue icing for design, not a lot of design. Now I'm going to put purple, and then I'm going to put it all over the place. I'm done with the top, and now I'm going to do the bottom. See on my hands, oh my goodness. Okay, so this is just enough. It doesn't matter. Now, I'm going to put on the balls. Ugh. Oh my goodness, my hands are so sticky. Yeah. Spread. Oopsie, this doesn't work. Not too much. That should be enough. The ball tastes good.